Check it out, I got one of these balls. We gotta blow it up and see what we think. So here she is on our ball. We gotta get her over here. And apparently it does come with a pump. I don't know how this works, but it does come with a pump. And some type of elastic. Here she is. That's it right there. Oh, it's got this, it's really sticky. It feels really sticky. And so that's that. Here it is. Oh shit. We need those. Apparently these are, I don't know what these are. They're too like, they look like little nails. Let me show them to you. So they must, maybe they come with this thing. I don't know. I dropped them though. So anyway, I'll have to pick them up in a minute. Let's open it up. Take a look at it. Right, I know there's a spot on it to fill it up with air. But that's a, oh here, look. There it is. And so these things must go in there to block it once you filled it up. And I think this goes in here like that. Then you have to hold it and pump it. Okay. You gotta make sure you get it in the hole though, like that. All right. I have to change hands. Most men are pretty good at this. Switch. Switch. Let me show you where the hole is. You see that? See how that hole's right there? That's like a little belly button and you got to get that in there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Oh, switch hands. Oh, you girlfriend. The workout is just filling it up, not even using it. If you're not careful, like you can hear it leaking, you know? So I got to get it just perfect to get her filled. When I'm ready to close it off, I pull this out. I think I pull it up, put my finger there, and then this goes in like that. Like that. All right, there's our ball. Whew. All right. Yeah. Check me out. Look at me. Woo. Woo. All right. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.